Where does the name for Mochdre come from? So today I'm in Mochdre, which is a village between Ross-on-Sea and Llandudno Junction in Conwy County in North Wales. The name's made of two parts. We have Moch, which is pigs, and Dre, which is the soft mutated form of Tref, which means town. So literally it means the town of the pigs. The town of the pigs, it's not a very flattering name for a town, right? But actually has a really cool and ancient origin. So in Wales, our national story is the Pedair Cainc y Mabinogi, the four branches of the Mabinogi, which is a selection of medieval stories which are about ancient gods and goddesses and mythological figures that was written in the medieval times, but actually some of the roots go back to far, far older times, sort of Roman and pre-Roman. One of those stories is called Mathfab Mathonri, and in it there's a character called Gwydion, who is a kind of magician, trickster kind of figure, and he wants to cause a war between the kingdoms of Gwynedd and Dyfed. So he goes to Dyfed and he steals magical pigs, and he takes them all the way around Wales to leave them in the kingdom of Gwynedd, hoping to start a war. And one of the places where he leaves it is here in Mochdre. So actually it's not the town of the pigs in the boring sense, but it's the town of the magical pigs from Welsh mythology. Anyway, deal. Subscribe for more. Check out my Patreon if you've got time and you want to support me, and also check out my other social media. Who knows how long it is till someone bans TikTok.